Okay lang yan. Okay na. Lighthouse Bible Baptist Church in Tatalog. Lighthouse in Marikina City.
Lighthouse in Pasig.
Lighthouse in Taguig.
Lighthouse of Iriga, Valenzuela Congregation.
Living Christ Bible Baptist Church in Karuhatan, Valenzuela.
The Bridge Christian Community Baptist Church in Marikina.
Logos BBC in Baeza, Quezon City.
Logos BBC in Cubao, Quezon City.
Logos BBC in North Fairview, Quezon City.
Logos BBC in Vista, Caloocan City.
New Life BBC in Bagong Silang, Caloocan. Lighthouse Works in Cordillera Administrative Region.
Lighthouse in Baguio.
Lighthouse Works in Region 1, Ilocos Region.
Lighthouse in Bauang, La Union.
Lighthouse in Santo Tomas, La Union.
Lighthouse in Manawag, Pangasinan.
Lighthouse in San Fabian, Pangasinan.
Logos BBC in Pangasinan.
Lighthouse Work in Region 2, Cagayan Valley. Lighthouse in Santiago, Isabela. Lighthouse Works in Region 3, Central Luzon. Lighthouse in Tarlac.
Lighthouse in Morong, Bataan.
Lighthouse in Pilar, Bataan.
Lighthouse in Candelaria, Zambales.
Lighthouse in Olongapo, Zambales.
Lighthouse in San Felipe, Zambales.
Lighthouse in San Marcelino, Zambales.
Lighthouse in Subic, Zambales.
Subic Bay Lighthouse BBC in Olongapo.
Subic Bay Lighthouse BBC in Santa Cruz, Zambales.
Logos BBC in Dinalopihan, Bataan.
Logos BBC in Mariveles, Bataan.
Lighthouse Works in Region 4A, Calabarzon. Lighthouse in Calawis, Antipolo. Lighthouse International Baptist Church in Las Marinas, Cavite. Lighthouse International Baptist Church in Silang, Cavite.
Lighthouse in Cinco, Baras, Rizal.
Lighthouse in Pinugay, Baras, Rizal.
Lighthouse in Cainta, Rizal.
Lighthouse in Montalban, Rizal.
Lighthouse in Lopez, Quezon.
Lighthouse International Baptist Church in Tagaytay.
Marikina Tribal Mission Work in Apia, Dumaga.
Valley View Bible Baptist Church Lighthouse in San Mateo, Rizal.
Logos BBC in Cavite.
Lighthouse Works in Region 4B, Mimaropa. Lighthouse in Taytay, Palawan.
The Bridge Christian Community Baptist Church in Taytay, Palawan.
BBC Victoria.
Good Soldier of Jesus Christ Baptist Church.
Hillside Grace Baptist Church, Baco Mission.
Hillside Grace Baptist Church, Calapan City, Oriental, Mindoro.
Hillside Grace Baptist Church, Nauhan Mission.
Malok Bible Baptist Church.
Nauhan West Baptist Church. Lighthouse Work in Region 6, Western Visayas Region.
Lighthouse in Silay, Negros Occidental.
Lighthouse Works in Region 5, Bicol Region.
Haven of Hope BBC.
Lighthouse in Colangi, Albay.
Lighthouse in Calabanga.
Lighthouse in Balongay, Calabanga. Outreach.
Lighthouse in San Francisco, Bombon, Calabanga Outreach.
Lighthouse in Caramoan, Camarines Sur.
Lighthouse in Goa, Camarines Sur.
Lighthouse in Iriga City.
Lighthouse of Iriga City, Baal Congregation.
Lighthouse of Iriga City, Bato Congregation.
Lighthouse of Iriga City, Buhi Congregation.
Lighthouse of Iriga City, Ligaw Congregation.
Lighthouse of Iriga City, Naga Congregation.
Lighthouse of Iriga City, Ocampo Congregation.
Isa lang, isa.
Lighthouse in Nagonoy, Camarines Sur.
Lighthouse, Masbate Mission.
Lighthouse International BBC of Iriga City, Nabuak Congregation.
Lighthouse of Iriga City, San Francisco Congregation.
Lighthouse of Iriga City, San Juan Congregation.
Lighthouse in Naga City, Quebec.
Lighthouse in Ocampo, Camarines Sur.
Ate Serlin, saan ka na?
Lighthouse in Pili,
Nahanap ka na ni
Camarines
Sai.
Sur, New San Roque.
Ate Serlin.
Lighthouse in Piri, Camarines Sur, Pawili.
Lighthouse in Kinambak, Camarines Sur.
Living Christ BBC in Partido, Camarines Sur.
Metrolight BBC in Sigaon, Camarines Sur. Lighthouse work in Region 6, Western Visayas Region.
Lighthouse in Silay, Negros Occidental.
Lighthouse works in Region 8, Eastern Visayas Region. Lighthouse in Mabuhay, Canavid, Eastern Samar.
Uy, shout out, shout out.
Dolores Eastern
Lakpak!
Lighthouse in San Policarpo, Eastern Samar.
Oh, iya din na kinukuha.
Lighthouse works in Region 11, Davao Region.
Charity Baptist Church in Davao City.
Nagkakalaw, Padisalde.
Lighthouse in Bansalan, Davao Region.
Padisalde, gatagit.
Lighthouse in Magsaysay,
Andres,
Davao
nere ko ya dida ha, kuan, ha, ibakom.
Lighthouse works abroad. Lighthouse BBC families in Bologna, Italy.
Lighthouse BBC Families in Terni, Italy.
Ito sa lang nabanggit na lighthouse sa Dolores sila.
Ubus,
Christ
mata na,
Revival Church
mabuhay.
in Saudi Arabia.
Day one, day one.
Lighthouse related books. Antipolo Baptist Christian Church.
Antipolo Baptist Christian Church, Boso-Boso.
Celebration Baptist Church in Camiguin.
Celebration Baptist Church in Rodriguez, Rizal.
Celebration Baptist Church in San Mateo, Rizal.
Central BBC in Trecer Martires, Cavite.
Nakikita na,
Bible Baptist Church in
na
Manila,
kuan,
Camarines
train ko
Sur.
may.
Global BBC in Echage, Isabela.
Pakisabi na lang sa
Nakikita na makita,
BBC in
Ito ha, kuan,
Parañaque.
nakalib naman.
Global BBC in Taguig.
isa lang dapat sa
International BBC in General Trias, Cavite.
May Kawayan Pilgrim BBC in May Kawayan, Bulacan.
Pilgrim BBC, Cainta, Rizal.
Roadside BBC in May Kawayan, Bulacan.
Tabaco BBC.
Nainan BBC Nasugbu.
Mamaya ulit, kasi mag-snack
Ano
namin.
palagay nyo?
Shout out.
Amen!
Mamaya ulit, mamaya.
And now, kinakailangan ang bawat isa sa mga gawain na ito ay magningning. Di ba? Magliwanag. At mula sa kanila, kung saan sila naroon, ang biyaya ng Panginoon sa kanila ay